Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to stake Atom on Keplr. It's pretty easy to get this done. Make sure you've downloaded the Keplr mobile app. Once you've downloaded it, make sure you set up the app. And once you've set up the Keplr app, the icon at the top left, click on this icon and select the Cosmos Hub. You're met with the native token, which is the Atom. You're met with the staking option. Now, before you begin to stake or before you take any more steps, please make sure you've done your own research, as it's important to know what you're getting yourself into and how you can avoid risk. So guys, in order to stake some of your Atom tokens, make sure you've deposited from a centralized exchange or from a wallet. And once you've been able to deposit on Keplr, click on the staking option, click on the stake Atom, and now you're met with the list of validators. All you need to do is find a validator with a good commission. You could avoid the top 10, which just have big names. All you need to do now is find validators with good voting power and good commissions. With that in mind, once you found one of the validators you'd like to stake some of your Atom tokens with, let's say Figment, all you need to do now is simply click on the stake option. By clicking on the stake option, please make sure you're staking up to 1 Atom token, as it's important to do this so you stand a chance to gain a potential airdrop. Please make sure you do your own research concerning the airdrop. So guys, once you've entered the amount of Atom tokens you wish to stake, you stand a chance of gaining an airdrop. That's an airdrop opportunity. And all you need to do now is click on stake. By doing this, you've successfully staked your Atom tokens and you will be rewarded accordingly. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.